I know we got this. It's just a matter of when.
It's the little things.
The little things, yep. Ice or puddle or just a lot of things. I guess that makes Vortex very unforgiving too.
The easy ones are the unforgiving ones. And the ones that are
I think I used it too early. Are you kidding me?
It's okay.
That time I used it too early. Because he was taking his sweet ass time. Like, I'm just gonna wait till Ash fucks up first. Then I'm gonna fucking use it. I was hopping around for that last one.
That's a good placement there. Let's do this right in the center. Let's go.
Nah, I don't think so. I thought that mine was gonna blow me south, but it blew me west. Yeah, so like I was getting mad because I was taking a mine and I was on the south edge of the blue mine, and somehow I got blown west.
Did I use Sucker?
Do what?
I don't ever remember using Sucker, but everybody had a galvanize for 3 seconds at some point. Maybe I used it without knowing.
I just wasted it. Fuck me. Good job, Ty. You know what? Ty's just got this. Fuck me. I'm not good for anything except being a brick dumb wall.
Hey, you calling out those mechanics? At least that's that's going for you, huh? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's the only thing I'm good for. I'm literally in our group. I'm 90% of the voice, like the talking that happens. Unless I ask people for a response. Double laser. Stack.
I'm gonna ask where your shield oath is.
Oh my god! I almost got Yerski killed too. I'm sorry, Nan. Single laser tank buster. I'm just the worst tonight. I'm literally what's holding us back from clearing tonight.
Got a PC.
Don't take it out on yourself. It's okay. It's 2 drills.
2 drills.
Sorry, Ash, but you just don't make that.
Single drill max range.
No, we need to play.
Second shot. Oh. Dang it. That's the 3rd.
I got hate. Drill mechanic first.
That's okay, just watch for the chakrams.
Single drill max range. Floyd, you're gonna have hate for laser mechanics.
I'm just deploying that. And it worked just in time. Tank buster to the south.
North.
I'm in orb.
Double laser.
My bad. Tank orb to the south is what I meant to say.
I was like, what? Laser south?
No.
Floyd got it. Double drill away from Joshua. I was too close to the middle, I guess. Single laser for Cloyd. Alright, that's the 4th mess up on Ash's list on just this pull. Getting stunned. What else will Ash do?
Don't let it get to you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, that didn't
God
go
dang. How did I keep hates for so long in Sordo?
well.
3, your ski out, your ski out.
Wow, I was lagging really bad.
Bio.
You lived.
Ads. Height. Circles, just circles. 3, your ski out.
Yay, healers.
Bio
Team
and then
Houston.
single ads. Single ads. Gonna have height.
Watch out, Mars.
Whew.
I had to get on the
Super
low
close.
platform.
Okie dokie, let me put C back. Pulling in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Got the shield.
Lightning is on your ski. Get ready to move. Provoke. Move away. Ice.
I see.
Everybody to C except number 1. Everyone to C except number 1.
I get it now. That's cool.
2, 1. Everybody stack north.
I've got third water.
Number 1's gonna move to A side. Everyone else C side. Number 2 out though. Number 2's not gonna go anywhere that we're going. Hold up.
It's hitting.
Hold up. Move in.
I didn't have enough health.
Get
I ran
Joshua
to
up.
fire, my bad. Now is good.
Back to the center. I'm gonna fix the numbers in a minute, I promise. Man is number 1. Lightning is on tie. Move. Provoke, and now. Move away. Get ready for freeze.
Mars, water.
Everyone else to C except number 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Stack north.
I have it again.
Number 1's gonna move to the A side after you do your spread spot.
God, at this
2 move away.
1.
Oh, I died. Try to finish him, Cloyd. You're gonna have to keep tanking. I'm not want to pop something strong. Everybody hide. We don't have a tank up. Alright, we just need to survive one more mechanic. I'm trying to get him, I'm trying to get him.
Water again.
Stack north just in case. He's dead. He's dead. We got him. We got him!
It has to be.
Oof.
I was like, Chloe, why aren't you hiding? You kill people. Sweet. All right, there you go, man.